Ever wished you could cut your credit card debt without debt settlement? Today, credit card debt has become a pressing concern for millions of Americans. Collective credit card debt nationwide has reached a staggering $1.14 trillion, with the average cardholder owing approximately $8,000. Alarming trend is exacerbated by record-high credit card interest rates, which are pushing more borrowers to default on their payments or max out their credit limits. Current financial climate has created a perfect storm for credit card debt accumulation, and with the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut unlikely to significantly drive down credit card rates. Many cardholders have found themselves searching for effective ways to manage and reduce their credit card debt. In the next few seconds, you'll learn how. Start by creating a budget. Track every expense for a month. Identify areas to cut back. Focus on paying more than the minimum payment. Prioritize high-interest debt first. Consider a balance transfer card with 0% interest. Many credit card issuers offer balance transfer cards with a low or 0% introductory interest rate for a specific period, usually 18 months. Transferring your high-rate credit card balances to one of these cards, you can pay off the debt interest-free for a set amount of time, reducing your balance compared to what you would otherwise owe as interest compounds. Next, automate your payments. Consolidating your debt, you can lower your interest rates, which lowers the total amount you would otherwise owe. The process is less damaging to your credit than debt settlement, and you'll have support from a credit counselor to guide you. Borrowers who need help organizing their payments and negotiating better terms, but don't want to pursue debt settlement may benefit most from this option. Use cashback rewards to pay down the balance. Lastly, find additional income. Sell unused items online. Take up a side gig. Stay committed and consistent. Watch your debt shrink month by month. Like what you see, subscribe for more.